In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an order on the Instacart app. If you've ever found yourself needing to adjust a grocery order or simply change your mind about a purchase, this guide will walk you through each step to ensure that you can handle it smoothly. The steps are straightforward and designed to help you navigate the app with ease. Let's get started by opening the Instacart app on your device. This is your central hub for managing all things related to your grocery orders, so having it easily accessible is key. Once the app is open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main interface, although we're going to head over to a specific area in just a second. To proceed, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the app. Here you'll find the profile icon. It typically looks like the outline of a person or your own profile picture if you've set one up. Go ahead and tap on that icon. This will take you to your account section where you can view and manage various app settings and personal details. Next, from your profile page, look for the section labeled Orders. This is usually where all your past and current order activity is stored. Selecting this option will unveil a list showcasing all the purchases you've made through the app. You may need to scroll down a bit if you have many orders. This section is crucial as it keeps track of what you've bought, so knowing how to navigate it is very useful. Unfortunately, in this demonstration, I don't have any active orders to show, but I can guide you on what to expect. If you do have orders, they would be displayed here in a list format. Each order will have its details and options for further actions. When you find the order you wish to cancel, you'll want to tap on it to open the order details page. This page will give you a comprehensive view of what you purchased, including items, quantities, and delivery information. Look for the option to cancel order. It's usually a prominently displayed button, as Instacart aims to make order management straightforward. And that's it. If you cancel before the shopper begins gathering your items, typically you won't incur any charges. However, policies can vary, so it's always a good idea to double check the terms and conditions associated with your order cancellation. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Canceling an order on Instacart is quite a simple process once you know where to look and what steps to follow. Don't hesitate to explore the app further and see what other options and features it offers. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping next time on Instacart.